unboxing is this nail dust collector. No, I don't do nails, but as you saw in one of my previous videos, I did this. Well, it's not even the right way around. I did this, and I did this, and I did this. Monstrosity of a mess. And this. And there's plenty of other little projects that I've been doing where they need a lot of cleanup. So, my thoughts are, and you'll see on one of my previous videos, I'll link it above, I've got a neat little tool from Works, which is this. It comes with loads of different attachments, and I want to take some of this stuff off. Some of this could just be done with a deburring tool, but things like this and things where you need to get quite intricate into those spaces, I think might actually work well with this, or I need at least to get the initial process off. The problem I have is everything that I do for YouTube is all on my desk, and even though I've got a protector for my keyboard on my laptop so dust stops going into it, I place that over the keys, and I've got a protector for my Cricut. I don't have protectors for my microphone and cameras, and unfortunately I can't think of a better way to do it at this stage than putting glass in front of it, which is a whole another aspect of doing something. So I thought, I've seen when I've had my nails done that they have a little thing inside the desk that sucks in bits of nail dust. So I was hoping that this would do the same thing. This is a Temu purchase. It was in one of my latest bags. I've not done a haul for a few weeks, but I have got another one booked. I've got some more coming up. This was just like one or two items that I actually wanted rather than ones that you get roped into buying. And I wanted to see how good it was. So this is a nail dust, the big label at the back, that's why I'm not reading off the box. And I thought this is small enough to sort of go under just where I'm doing. It's basically a fan but backwards, so it just pulls in any of the dust. I can't remember if this is USB powered, which obviously is quite obvious when it comes with a USB cable, Stacey. So I'm going to see how this goes with these tools and see if it does actually suck the dust particles downwards away from my cameras. Because I do glitter, I do resin, I do different things, and especially fine glitter goes all over the place. It goes all over my camera and everything, and it's not something that I want to be cleaning up every single time off every single lens. These are actually filters for the back of the brick plastic thing that I was showing you before. So I'm presuming that will go like that, and that will go like that, and then you can just get rid of the sheet rather than it going into the fan. These feel very much like dried out baby wipes or something similar. Maybe they're a little bit, can't even get it off now, there we go. They're a little bit more, or a little bit less woven, I should say. But if you got a baby wipe and dried it out and stretched it, you could probably use that exactly the same way, just in case you don't really want to take your time buying extra filters. So, it's static, or maybe like a dryer sheet. Use dryer sheet, might work. And you also get some of these, you get files. Obviously this is a nail product, so that's what they'd normally be used for. Can't see these being useful for resin unless it maybe is just like a little bit that you want to take off. Let's have a look. I can't see that actually taking, oh no, actually it's taking a bit off. Let's plug this in. I'm using the USB cable that come with it because I've got one already plugged into the side of my desk. So I'm plugging it in. And let's see how loud it is. And that's picking up quite loud on my microphone. So this is a good test for me to see if that is too loud or not. It's not a suction. Let's just have a quick try. See if we can get anything coming off it. But I think we will get a better result when I use the little machine. So this is filing down. So these are actually quite good for resin. So it is taking it down nice and smooth. Let's turn it off and see what it's actually sucked up. I can't see any particles floating around in the air like I normally do. But we'll find out. We'll test it with some glitter in a bit. Let's put it somewhere so you can see what's coming off it. Something definitely has come off it because it was going small. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do a glitter test. I think that's probably going to be the best way to see it on camera. But there's definitely something coming off this because it's gone a lot smoother. So let me get a bit of glitter. So I'm doing some glitter stuff and I'm moving it around, and this is quite fine. Is it going to be attracted to this? Now if this was fine glitter, it would be flying all up in front of my camera. I think I need to find the fine glitter to know for sure. What was I using the other day and it ended up everywhere? Mica powder, that was it. This is it. This is the stuff that went everywhere. And it went up and all over everything. It was really, really bad. Even just taking the lid off was bad. So I'm going to see if it goes upwards, because that's what it was doing without even trying. And if it's not going upwards, and I know this looks like, oh, she's just dropping glitter on top of a fan and it's likely to go down anyway. It's not. This stuff went up. In fact, it went up and out everywhere. And there was everything was covered with it. So if this isn't going up, it is definitely going down rather than up. Which means it will not go onto my camera, which is exactly what I was after. So that is a fantastic result. I sound really excited over a silly nail thing that costs less than, I think it was like £7 or £8. It's going to make my life so much easier. I don't have to keep cleaning all the glitter and stuff off my cameras, and I can have it pointing downwards, which is fantastic.